The holiday season is a time when our homes become the center of warmth, gathering, and joyful celebration. But transforming your living room for Christmas doesn't have to drain your wallet or require a complete interior overhaul. In fact, some of the most enchanting holiday spaces are created not with luxury items, but with simple materials, creative hands, and thoughtful styling. The magic of Christmas lives in the glow of warm light, the softness of cozy textiles, and the personal, heartfelt touches that make a house truly feel like home. Whether you're navigating a tight budget this year or simply love the charm of crafting your own decorations, this guide will lead you through an inspiring journey. Together, we'll explore how to shape a festive living room that feels inviting, luxurious, and filled with holiday cheer, without overspending a single cent. From DIY ornaments and thrift store treasures to warm lighting and natural textures, every detail plays a role in building a Christmas atmosphere that reflects beauty, creativity, and comfort. So take a deep breath, relax, and imagine your living room transforming piece by piece. Picture soft lights dancing across the walls, cozy blankets draped gently over the couch, and the scent of pine and cinnamon drifting through the air. This is Christmas decor at its most heartfelt and accessible, where style and savings work hand in hand to create something truly magical. One, create a minimalist yet impactful Christmas tree setup. The Christmas tree is the heart of holiday decorating, but it doesn't need to be grand or expensive to be beautiful. Instead of investing in a costly full-size tree, consider embracing minimalism. A slim artificial tree, a petite potted evergreen, or even a collection of pine branches carefully arranged in a tall vase can deliver just as much visual impact. Focus on intention rather than quantity. Choose a small collection of ornaments that share cohesive colors like champagne gold, forest green, deep burgundy, or warm metallics. The curated look feels elegant and modern. When you wrap the branches with soft fairy lights, the tree comes alive with a gentle glow that feels peaceful and sophisticated. Minimalist trees prove that beauty isn't defined by size or cost, it's defined by emotion, simplicity, and well-balanced design. 2. Enhance the room with warm ambient lighting. Lighting is one of the most transformative tools in any home, especially during Christmas. Warm ambient lighting can turn an ordinary living room into a glowing winter sanctuary. String lights can be draped gracefully along shelves, around window frames, or woven across the mantel. The soft golden tones create an atmosphere that feels comforting, magical, and slightly nostalgic. LED candles, tucked into lanterns or placed atop trays, offer the flickering charm of real candlelight without safety concerns. Placing them inside glass jars or vintage holders creates beautiful reflections that dance across the room. Even behind a sheer curtain, a simple strand of fairy lights diffuses into a dreamy, cloud-like glow. It's subtle, elegant, and wonderfully affordable, proof that atmosphere is created not by cost, but by creativity. 3. Refresh with cozy, seasonal textiles. One of the most effective ways to instantly warm up your living room is to refresh your textiles. Swap your everyday pillows for cozy knitted covers, faux fur textures, or seasonal colors like deep red, pine green, or soft beige. These fabrics bring softness and comfort to your space while subtly marking the arrival of the holiday season. A plaid throw blanket casually draped over your sofa adds a charming rustic feel. Consider reversible pillow covers, which allow you to switch between holiday themes and year-round designs without purchasing new textiles. It's a smart, budget-friendly way to elevate your living space with minimal effort. 4. Craft your own DIY wreaths, garlands, and ornaments. There's something special about handmade Christmas decor. It carries warmth, personality, and a touch of nostalgia. Creating your own wreaths and garlands is easier than you think. Use eucalyptus branches, pine sprigs, twine, dried oranges, or ribbon to craft pieces that feel rustic, elegant, or modern, whatever suits your style. Salt dough ornaments offer a delightful DIY project that's both inexpensive and fun. They can be painted, stamped, or left in their natural clay color for a minimalist look. Hang them on the tree, across shelves, or on doorknobs to add a personal touch throughout the room. Your home becomes not just decorated, but filled with pieces of your own creativity and heart. Discover affordable treasures at thrift stores. Thrift stores are magical during the holiday season. They offer treasures waiting to be rediscovered, vintage ornaments with stories, handcrafted figurines, brass candle holders, glass jars, woven baskets, and greenery that still holds its shape and charm. Combining thrifted items with your existing decor creates a layered, curated look that feels unique and timeless. Unlike modern mass-produced pieces, thrift store finds often carry character, a sense of nostalgia that enhances the Christmas mood. Decorating becomes not just an act of beautifying your space, but a treasure hunt filled with surprises and sentimental discoveries. 6. Elevate your coffee table or centerpiece decor. Your coffee table is a natural focal point in the living room, making it the perfect place for a festive centerpiece. Start with a tray, wood, metal, woven, or glass, and build a small vignette. Add candles, pine cones, mini ornaments, or small vases with sprigs of evergreen. You can layer in textures with faux snow, cinnamon sticks, or dried berries. The centerpiece doesn't need to be overly elaborate. Simplicity often speaks louder, creating an arrangement that feels thoughtful, elegant, and deeply festive. 7. Add easy and affordable holiday wall art. Seasonal wall art doesn't require expensive prints. With the abundance of free or low-cost holiday printables available, you can refresh your walls instantly. Choose minimalist quotes like "merry and bright" or soft winter illustrations and place them inside frames you already own. By only swapping the artwork, not the frames, you maintain a cohesive look while introducing fresh seasonal charm. It's a low-cost, high-impact method of transforming your living room walls. 8. Incorporate natural elements for a rustic, cozy touch. Nature is one of the greatest sources of Christmas decor. Pine cones, evergreen branches, dried leaves, and winter berries bring an organic, rustic charm that can't be replicated by store-bought pieces. Place them in woven baskets, tall glass vases, or large bowls to introduce natural textures throughout the room. Tie twine or ribbon around bundles of greenery for simple, elegant accents. And don't forget about scents. Dried oranges, cloves, and cinnamon sticks create a warm, nostalgic aroma that fills your living room with the essence of Christmas. use simple curtain or rug changes to warm the space. If you're seeking a bigger visual transformation without spending much, consider changing your curtains or rug. Look for warm tones like burgundy, charcoal, deep green, or soft winter neutrals. These colors instantly shift the mood of your living room into something cozier and more seasonal. Shop during holiday sales, or choose multi-purpose colors that work well beyond December. With just 1 or 2 updated textiles, your living room can feel dramatically refreshed. Set up a hot cocoa or festive beverage station. Nothing captures the heart of the holiday season like a warm beverage station. Use a tray or a small cart to create a cozy corner filled with mugs, cocoa mix, marshmallows, cinnamon sticks, and holiday treats. Add mini garlands, fairy lights, or a tiny Christmas figurine to complete the charm. This small station becomes more than just decor, it becomes an experience. A place where family members gather for warm drinks, evening chats, and sweet holiday memories. An affordable addition that warms both the room and the heart. You don't need a large budget to create a breathtaking Christmas living room. With creativity, resourcefulness, and thoughtful styling, you can transform your space into a warm and inviting holiday retreat. The true magic of Christmas lives in the cozy details, the soft glow of lights, the comforting textures of blankets and pillows, the sparkle of ornaments, and the little personal touches that make your home feel alive with seasonal joy. This year, let your imagination lead the way. Embrace the beauty of simple decor, handmade crafts, natural elements, and meaningful pieces that tell your unique story. Your living room can become a space filled with warmth, charm, and festive spirit, proving that Christmas style doesn't have to be expensive to be extraordinary. Create the moments, cherish the memories, and let your home shine with the magic of the season.